welcome back to my channel. I am leaving the house now. I'm going to Featherbrook quickly. After Featherbrook, I don't really know if I'm gonna go somewhere else, but I did want to go to Pick and Pay, but I'll just see how I feel. If I'm not really feeling up to it, then I'll just go to Featherbrook and come back. I'm going to go look for Christmas gifts for my mom and my sister. It's the 23rd of December. That's how, like, I don't know what to call this. You obviously get Christmas gifts in like November to avoid this hustle and bustle, but not me. No ma'am. I'm on my way to the store right now. I thought I'd bring you along with me. So yeah, yesterday we went to the mall. It wasn't too crazy. Well, actually it was packed, but the stores that we went to weren't too crazy. We went to Checkers and Crazy, and we got some drinks and stuff from Checkers. But yeah, let's go see if we can find some Christmas gifts. I'm not too concerned. If we don't find anything, then we don't find anything, and that's okay. I'm not too stressed about it. Let's have some drive chats. I don't know. Drive with me, chatty edition. I don't know. Because I usually do music over these, I believe. But anyway, I want a new car. Which is, it's not weird, but no, I would like a new car. Which is, I don't think it's weird, because my sister got a new car for her 21st birthday, and then it got stolen, and then she got a replacement after they claimed from insurance. This is the car that they bought when they used the insurance money, and then a couple years later, I think it was literally 5 years later, my dad got her another car, an upgrade from this one. So yeah, I don't know, I would like to have a car that I can call my own. I don't know what the limitations of my request are, but yeah, I really genuinely, I don't think, like, I'm just telling you this for like just additional information. I also like the A180. The Merc is really pretty, but like, I don't know what my budget is. I can like whatever car, obviously, but I'm not even coming to Woolworths. Why did I come this way? See, this talking thing got me distracted. But anyway, I really, truly, genuinely love Range Rovers, particularly the Sport. It looks so good. Wow, I'm obsessed. So I'm coming to Clicks to see if I can find something. I know Clicks is like the one-stop shop. Like, they have all the little gift sets and everything. I don't know. We'll see if I find something. It would be nice to get something for my mom. But like, you know, I want to get her, oh my gosh, it's a dog. I want to get her something like that she wants. And she showed me like a vacuum the other day. It's like super expensive. I'd have to take from my savings, but like, I feel like she deserves it, you know. But it's from Macro, and I'm 100% not going to Macro. So yeah, let me pop into Clicks quickly, and I will see you guys. Anyway, where did that tangent go off to? What was the point of that? I need to figure out how much my sister's car, the latest one, was, and then I can kind of gauge what my price point is, because yeah, there's no point in liking things that are like impossible. I know it's not impossible, but like, it's unreasonable to, oh, he's a little puppy. Anyway, I know I'm not getting a Range Rover for my dad, you know what I mean? Like, that's a car that I need to buy for myself. But it's hot as hell in here. Let us go. Oh, let me put my mask on. Okay, so I went to Clicks. Didn't find anything, obviously. It was a long shot anyway. And I came, this Clicks is small compared to ones at malls. So, yeah, I didn't really anticipate getting like the perfect gift. And it's kind of like packed in there, which is not cool. We're pulling in to Pick and Pay. 2 minutes to get here. It's so packed. Okay, so we got a spot. Let's go. So I just got out of Pick and Pay. It was so full. And I'm like not feeling great. Hold on. Oh, not feeling great. So I didn't want to stay in there for too long. I didn't find anything. I don't know what I'm looking for, actually. And I think that's the problem. I guess I just had already said that I wasn't going to be getting Christmas presents. Yeah. I think... I don't know. Maybe we'll go out tomorrow, because I know my mom's going to be around tomorrow. And I know for sure she's going to want to leave the house tomorrow. So I'm thinking I'll just kind of wait on her. And then wherever we go, I'll kind of look there. I think that's the best solution right now. Because I really can't. I can't for the life of me. I don't feel well and I want to go home. I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where I go. Because at this point, I'm going home. But that could change in a minute. I just don't have the energy to be out here. You know what I really wanted this week? I wanted to go get the noodles that I really like, but they're so far away. Oh my gosh. The only reason that I found them in the first place was because we were getting our dresses made at this place. And so I got the noodles. It's the pink packet. I'm pretty sure, like 100% sure, I made them in a vlog. So yeah, they're the pink ramen noodles. Love them. They were my favorite out of all the flavors that I tried. Haven't tried the curry one yet, but I can't think of anywhere else to go unless I go to Miss Price Home, which is at this little mall that I'm going to anyway. There we are. That's where we're going. It looks insanely packed and I'm just not in the mood for a lot of people. So update, I literally drove right past this place because there was a hella amount of traffic to get in to the shopping complex, which I was not about to sit through at all. So I'm going home now. Fun. I'm gonna go to Steers because they have Wacky Wednesday today. I'm actually gonna ask my sister if she wants one. Honestly, why didn't I think of that, like, to begin with? It's a bad on my part. I'm literally... I hope I feel better by Christmas. But I know sleep does wonders. I haven't been getting as much sleep as I would like to be getting. And I haven't been getting as much sleep as I would normally be getting. So, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, change of plans. We're going to the Decathlon, which is just across the street here. I'm hoping to get some big beach towels. I know everyone loves a good beach... What? I know everyone loves a good beach towel. So hopefully I get them. Hopefully the store has stock of them. If I do, I'll just get one for everyone. And that would be so nice. Like, I would love a beach towel. So that's kind of how I gauge these things. If I'm not gonna like the gift, then I'm not gonna get it for someone. Let's go, baby. So that's where we're going. Let's go. So we are back. We are out of the store. I got what I was looking for. Oh, let me show you. Oh, that's the rain. I'm sorry. These are the towels. They're so cute. They have this little elastic where you just roll it up and put it in, so they're really travel friendly. I got these two colors. This one's my favorite. I definitely want to go get myself one. Quite soon. Hello lighting, we're home. Let me get everything inside and I'll see you guys later. Morning everyone. It's Christmas morning. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog today, I'm not too sure, but really like super low key. We're not doing anything. My sister and the baby and her husband are coming over, so it's just gonna be us, really small, intimate, but yeah.
outfit.